Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm back with a fried chicken wings recipe. It's super tasty. It's got some sweetness, it's got some spice and everything nice. So before we do anything, we're going to marinate these chicken wings overnight just so that they can develop a super duper lovely flavor. And then the following morning, we're going to take them out. The marinade smells so delicious. It's got so many beautiful things in there. Full recipe, as usual, is on gingerandseasalt.com. So we want to let those chicken wings come to room temperature. I have separated them into wingettes and drumettes, or flats and drums. And what I'm trying to do now is to take off as much of the seasoning as I can, just so that it doesn't get too burnt in the oil. You will not get super crispy chicken wings with this recipe just because the marinade is a wet one. You can pat the wings dry and that will allow for you to get a crispier texture if you want. If you want that super duper crispy texture, of course, you can use a dry marinade, add some cornstarch in there, and that will give it some crisp. Now for the sauce that we're going to toss our chicken wings in is a sweet and spicy sauce. And what I did was to get some yooyi jelly. And if you don't know what yooyi is velvet tamarind. It grows here in Ghana. Currently, it's back in season. We've got a tree in our house bearing a lot of fruit. And I had made some jelly for a friend and had a bottle left over. So instead of using honey to sweeten up my sauce, I decided that I was going to use some velvet tamarind, or yooyi as we call it. So I mixed that with some oyster sauce, soy sauce, sesame oil, and some hot peppers, and mixed that all together and then set that to the side. Next thing we're going to do is to fry our chicken wings. We want to make sure that they are cooked through. A simple way to test if they're done is to pierce them with a fork or anything sharp, and if the liquid that runs out of the wings is clear, then your wings are cooked. If you're using a meat thermometer, then you want to reach an internal temperature of about 80 degrees Celsius. So then you know that your chicken wings are done for sure. You want to make sure that you're eating chicken which is properly cooked. So if you're unsure, get a meat thermometer. You also need to look out for the different frying times. The chicken wings are not all the same in size. Some of the pieces are a bit larger, so you want to make sure that you're checking out which ones are cooking faster and then taking those out and letting the rest of them fry. Now once they're done, you want to make sure that you're draining off all the oil. Put that in a bowl, and then we're going to slather our yooyi sauce all over the chicken. Give that a good stir. We've got some onions in there as well. And the funny thing is, like, I usually don't enjoy sweet and spicy chicken. I like my spicy chicken, but I don't usually like the sweetness. But this is absolutely amazing. When I made this, it did not last a day in my house. It got finished the very same day. And so there you have it, fried chicken wings. Pretty easy to make chicken wings. They're absolutely delicious, and I hope you give it a try. Happy eating!